Plastic materials, according to British Standard Institute, plastics are solid composite materials, largely organic, usually based upon synthetic resins or upon modified polymers of natural origin and possessing appreciable mechanical strength. The plastics are either thermoplastic or thermosets. A thermoplastic, on heating, they are softened to viscous fluid, which hardens again on cooling. Resistant to breakage and cheap. And providing right plastics are chosen will provide the necessary protection of product in an attractive container. من أمثلة الثيرموبلاستيك polyethylene, PVC, polystyrene, polypropylene, and polyamide, polycarbonate. الثيرموبلاستكس يعني لما نعملهم تسخين نقدر نعملهم تشكيل. بينما الثيرموست when heated they may become flexible but they do not become liquid. يعني ما بنقدر نعملهم تسييل بالحرارة. During heating, such materials form permanent cross-links between the linear chains, resulting in solidification and loss of plastic flow. يعني مجرد ما تشكلوا ما بقدر أعمل لهم تشكيل مرة تانية. هدول من أمثلتهم فينول فورمالدهايد، يوريا فورمالدهايد، ميلامين. بتعرفوا الميلامين اللي هو الأواني اللي إحنا بنستخدمها فعليا في تقديم الأكل. بعض الصحون تبقى من الميلامين. هذا إذا وقع على الأرض أو يعني تعرض لحر يعني أنا ممكن أكسره، لكن بقدرش إنه مثلا بتسخينه إني أرجع أشكله من أول وجديد. وميلامين فورمالدهايد هو. Advantages of plastic material: low in cost, light in weight, durable يعني بتتحمل بنقدر نستخدمها فترات طويلة، flexible مرنة، unbreakable. طبعا unbreakable إلى حد، لكن إذا أنا قصدت إني أكسرها أكيد تنكسر. able to retain their shape throughout their use و ease of transportation. disadvantages: interaction أكيد تتفاعل مع المواد اللي بنحط فيها، عشان هيك إحنا بنحاول قدر الإمكان خاصة السوائل ما نقرب على البلاستيك فيها. absorption and poor physical stability. all are permeable to some degree to moisture, oxygen, CO2. stress cracking يعني ممكن يتكسروا إذا عملنا عليهم ضغط قوي. paneling or cavitation يعني مجرد ما عملت لهم اوتوكليف بصيروا بيخرب شكلهم، وممكن البلاستيك لجوا يدخل يعني يصير له تغيير في الشكل. poor key of print يعني صعب إنه نعمل printing عليهم. و poor impact resistance يعني مقاومتهم للضغط قليلة.
No, plastic is actually a polymer like synthetic fiber. In few plastic, monomers are arranged in a chain like beads in case of necklace. In few plastics, monomers are cross-linked instead of the linear arrangement. Polythene, that is poly plus ethene, is an example of a plastic. It is used for making commonly used polythene bags or the plastic covers which we call. But have you ever thought why plastics are so popular? Metals like iron gets rusted when left exposed to moisture and air. But plastics do not react with water and air. Plastic is very durable. It is also very flexible and can be given any shape. So, plastic is used widely from making toys to making furniture. Plastic is used to make switchboards, base of bulbs, body of electric appliances, coating over electric wires. This is because plastic is an insulator. On the other hand, we see plastic handles on cookware as it doesn't get hot while we are cooking. This means plastics are poor conductor of heat too. You know, not all plastics are same in properties and strength. If you hold a ruler made of plastic near candle flame, it will become soft and will bend easily. Few bottles or containers get deformed if we pour hot liquid in these plastic containers. Such plastics that get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. Polythene, PVC, etc. are common thermoplastics that use regularly. On the other hand, there are some plastics which, when molded once, cannot be softened by heating. These are called thermosetting plastics. For example, bakelite. Cookware handles are made of bakelite, so these handles don't get soft when heated. Is melamine. Body of electric appliances like iron, TV, radio, keyboard, etc. are made of melamine. Melamine is used to make utensils, dinnerware, containers, etc. Heat better than other plastics. Hence, it is used to make floor, furniture, fabric, etc. Use is discouraged. You know, plastic takes several years to decompose and it is considered as non-biodegradable and it causes land pollution. Also, the burning of plastic releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. That is why today people are encouraged to take reusable carry bags made of cotton, jute, etc. for shopping instead of plastic covers or bags which we throw away after use and cause land pollution.
So, let's look at the types of plastics. There are two major types of plastics. Thermoplastics that can be melted and reshaped over and over. They can be easily recycled. Thermosetting plastics, once heated and cooled, they retain their form and they are difficult to recycle. They can be recycled, but they are much, much more difficult to recycle.
Polyethylene, used as high and low density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene is preferred plastic for squeeze bottles اللي بنقدر إنه نعملهم عصر. Easy of processing, barrier to moisture يعني ما بمرق الرطوبة. Strength, tough و flexible and easy of sealing يعني إنه تسكيره وعمل cover لإله كتير سهل. بينما high density polyethylene less permeable to gases and more resistant to oils, chemicals and solvents. Properties: stiff, high strength, tough, resistant to chemicals, widely used in bottles for solid dosage forms. بينما disadvantage: prone to stress cracking in the presence of surfactants or vegetable or mineral oils. يعني ممكن إنه يخرب العبوة سريعا.
This plastic is PET. PET is excellent waterproof. It's very waterproof, a good moisture and gas barrier, so it's good. It's used for drinks bottles. It is one of the most easily recycled plastics, and it is a thermoplastic. This
polypropylene has good resistance to cracking when flexed, good resistance to heat sterilization يعني بقدر إني أعمل له sterilization باستخدام الحرارة. Colorless, odorless thermoplastic material with excellent tensile properties even at high temperature يعني بيتحملوا الضغط حتى يعني بيتحملوا حرارة عالية. Excellent resistance to strong acids and alkali. Low permeability to water vapor. Suitable for use in enclosures, tablet containers and intravenous bottles. البوليفينيل كلورايد اللي هو ال PVC it is very versatile يعني متعدد الاستخدامات. Ease of blending, strength, toughness, resistance to grease. Used as rigid packaging material and main component of intravenous bags اللي هي الباجز اللي احنا زي مثلا normal saline bag, glucose bag وغيره. بينما disadvantage poor impact resistance يعني بتحملش الضغط انه ينضغط عليه بتخرب العبوة وبالتالي ما بتتحمل ضغط شديد ممكن يعني تنفتح. polyvinylidene chloride PVDC excellent barrier properties يعني انه بيشتغل ك بلاستيك ملائم انه ما يصير ليكج او تسرب للمواد اللي داخله او انه يتعرض للهواء وبالتالي الهواء يدخل على العبوة او المويستشر. good thermoform ability يعني بقدر بالحرارة اني انا اشكله PVDC is very cost effective, medical grade and non-toxic. معناته يستخدم في الميديكال products و high levels of transparency. البوليستيرين versatile insulation. insulation يعني بيستخدموه في العزل، انك تعزل اشي داخل عن خارج وبالتالي حفظ الحرارة. easily formed بسموهم styrofoam. used for jars, ointments, creams with low water content. disadvantage chemicals like isopropyl myristate produce cracking. يعني انه ممكن يكون في عنا كراكس صغيرة زي تصدعات صغيرة، وهاي التصدعات ممكن على المدى الطويل انها تخرب البرودكت، سواء دخول مويستشر من الخارج او خروج المويستشر الداخلي او مثلا وصول رطوبة او غيره. التستس فور بلاستيك كونتينرز ليك تيست اللي هو فحص التسريب، والووتر بيرميابيليتي تيست اللي هي انه يعني بيمرق المي او لا، يعني نفاذ للماء او لا.
Vinyl chloride. It's recyclable. It has very good chemical resistance. It is durable. It's quite tough. It's lightweight and it has good chemical resistance. It's used for things like pipes, guttering, plastic window frames where the chemical resistance and durability are great attributes. So that's PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Next, we've got a very common plastic, HIPS, high impact polystyrene. Another thermoplastic. It's quite tough. It does crack, but not easily. It's got a high impact strength and it's easily injection molded. This plastic is used for higher quality injection molding, high quality toys, high quality plastic. This is ABS. Generally, ABS products are higher quality than HIPS. So, for example, Lego uses ABS because it's a glossier plastic. It's tough. It has a much higher impact strength. It has a glossy high finish. It takes colours and keeps the colour very well, but it is more expensive than HIPS.
acrylonitrile.
That's ABS. 3D printing. It's
طبعا هون كيف بيعملوا printing على البلاستيك.
It needs the thing to be computer drawn, but the plastic that 3D printing has started to use is PLA. PLA is a very important plastic because it is not derived from oil, it is made from plants. PLA is a biopolymer. It is also biodegradable. If you bury it in the ground, you come back in 100 years, it's gone, it's turned to dirt.
Those little triangles molded into the bottom of plastic items are called SPI codes. There are 7 in total and are designed to help us recycle and dispose of each different type of plastic. SPI code 1 indicates products made from polyethylene terephthalate. PET plastic is used to make many common household items like beverage bottles and peanut butter jars, and makes up about 96% of all the plastic bottles and containers in the United States. SPI Code 2 identifies plastic made with high-density polyethylene. HDPE products are very safe and can withstand extreme heat or cold, making HDPE perfect for milk cartons, shampoos, and detergents. SPI Code 3 is made with polyvinyl chloride, or PVC. PVC can be harmful if ingested. It is not recycled often and most commonly found in plumbing pipes. SPI Code 4. Items made from low-density polyethylene are safe for food storage and tend to be durable and flexible. LDPE is used to make plastic wrap, sandwich bags, and squeezable bottles. SPI Code 5. Plastic items made with polypropylene. This type of plastic is used to make syrup bottles, plastic diapers, and prescription bottles. When recycled, polypropylene is used to make ice scrapers, rakes, and other durable items. SPI Code 6 is polystyrene, more commonly known as styrofoam. Polystyrene cannot be recycled efficiently. Therefore, items like disposable coffee cups, plastic cutlery, and packing peanuts can be harmful to the environment. In fact, this material accounts for about 35% of U.S. landfill materials. SPI Code 7 is used to designate miscellaneous types of plastic that are not defined by the other 6 codes. Plastic DVDs, baby bottles, and medical storage containers are often SPI 7. And there you have it. The next time you flip over a milk jug or a bottle of water, you'll be an expert.
اوكي، هون بس الاشكال هاي مع الالوان بتبين لنا انه افضل رقم انه نقدر نستخدم البوتلز اللي بيحتوي على هذا الرقم. لاحظوا 2 و4 و5 هم relatively safe. 1 و7 use with caution، مع إنه references تانية بتقول 1 و5 و7 هم أكتر إشي safe، بس different references. بس أكيد مثلا 5 متفق عليه، يعني إنه it is very safe. كمان 2. بينما 3 و6 completely avoid، يعني اوعى تشتري بوتل خاصة إذا كانت لمية الشرب تحتوي على رقم 3 أو رقم 6.
The product once of use.
أوكي، هون واضح إنه رقم 2 و4 و5 أكتر شي بيستخدموهم. to some extent 1 is safe، لكن 7 is not safe at all. 6 و3 يعني هدول 3 و6 و7 they are not used، خاصة إذا الموضوع بيتعلق بالأكل أو بمياه الشرب.